好啦，今日呢條片同平時嘅有啲唔同。咁第一係今次係一個收音咪嘅 review，係呢個 Sony 最新嘅 ECM W2BT 嘅無線收音咪嘅 review。咁同埋今次成條片都係用咗呢隻新嘅收音咪去做嘅。咁另外就係英文版啱啱會出咗啦。咁即將嚟緊就除咗廣東話之外，會有英文片嘅，針對每一次嘅 review 都。咁俾相機用嘅無線收音咪唔係第一次見，咁但係 Sony 今次都希望係做到一隻高質素嘅出嚟。咁主要有高嘅收音嘅音質。咁另外係好穩定嘅傳輸、穩定嘅連線，同埋係好方便易用嘅 interface。咁關於音質收音效果方面啦，咁今日呢條片就已經係用咗 W2BT 去收音，同埋喺影片嘅一陣間都會再有一段 vlog 係我拎咗出去室外喺街邊啦，同埋係沿途咁去拍嘅一段片啊。咁全程又用翻 W2BT， 但係 anyway 先係喺佢比較科技層面上面去睇下佢先。咁首先喺外觀上面，咁佢分有兩個部分，有 receiver 同埋有 microphone 兩邊嘅。咁首先喺 receiver 方面，喺底部有個 Mi Shoe Hot Shoe 嘅 interface。插埠咁針對支援 Mi Shoe 嘅相機就咁插入去就用得啦。咁另外佢針對翻係大機去使用 APS-C 同 Full Frame 嘅時間，仲更加可以喺個相機度攞電，令到佢嘅電池續航力達到18個鐘嘅。咁細機例如係 Z-V1 咁樣就會有3個鐘嘅電池續航力。而再喺側邊有 Micro USB 插口，佢可以用 Type-C， 佢冇用到啦。咁但係今次可以一路出街一路行一路叉住去用。咁另外佢亦都有一個抗水防塵質係 cover 住，輕輕咁可以生活防水輕量啦。咁另外亦都有3.5mm 耳機插口，如果你部相機係唔支援 Hot Shoe Mi Shoe 嘅話，都可以用3.5mm 音源輸出用翻。至於喺另一邊見到有3個模式，包括有 Mic、Mix 同 Receiver。咁咪其實就係淨係用我呢邊收音咪去收音，就好似我而家咁樣啦。咁另外 receiver 嘅話就可以喺相機嗰邊 receiver 嗰邊都有一個收音咪嘅，咁就可以喺嗰邊收音。而 mix 嘅話就會係兩邊一齊去使用。呢段片就我直接用咗個 receiver mode， 係喺翻呢個相機掛咗喺 hot shoe mount 上面呢個 receiver 去收音。咁我就靠近咗嗰個收音咪去講嘢嘅，直接用翻呢個 receiver 去做翻個收音。哇！而家呢個模式就係 mix mode， 咁我就用咗前面嘅收音咪模式，同埋後面呢個 receiver 一齊係去收音。呢方面另一個最特別嘅地方係 Sony 嘅 OLED 電視啦，佢既係熒幕顯示，亦都係喇叭本。啱啱就用咗個 microphone 嗰邊收音，而家我就喺翻個 receiver 嗰邊講嘢，咁兩邊都會收到聲嘅。而再隔離仲有個 digital 同 analog 嘅 switcher， 咁呢個就係其實係呢個收音咪嘅一大賣點嚟嘅。咁喺 digital 嘅時間，佢能夠喺我收音咪收咗我嘅聲啦，跟住就傳送到去 receiver 嗰邊，然之後再 digital 咁樣係傳送到個相機嗰度。咁全程都係 digital 咁去傳送，就唔牽涉任何嘅 analog 去 digital 嘅轉換，咁所以就能夠達到好低嘅 noise 同埋係冇呢個 data loss 嘅。而呢個全程 digital 嘅傳送係需要配合翻 Sony 比較近期同中高階嘅相機先用到。咁包括有 Alpha One、Alpha 9 II、Alpha 7R4、Alpha 7S3 同 Alpha 7C 呢幾部相機。而針對 Alpha 9、Alpha 7系列同埋 Alpha 6000系列同埋 RX 100M7呢啲，佢係唔支援到 digital 嘅收音，咁但係呢個時間可以喺 receiver 嗰邊開翻 analog 嘅功能，照樣插翻落個 Mi Shoe 嗰度都可以係做到收音，同埋可以係供電俾呢個 receiver。而針對細機 Z-V1 咁樣就都可以用 analog 嘅功能去做到收音啦，用呢個 receiver。咁但係佢就唔能夠係喺相機度攞電。至於喺 microphone 呢邊就首先佢有個 windscreen， 佢係能夠做到個抗風噪嘅功能。咁另外再喺側邊有翻 on-off 同埋有 ATT， 咁有10同20個分貝個選擇，同埋再有翻 micro USB 嘅充電，咁亦都係有翻個質係 cover 住保護。咁另外最後呢隻收音咪係應用咗 Bluetooth 5.0 嘅技術，穩定性上面會比較高，同埋佢嘅接收範圍最長去到200米嘅。咁而家我哋不如就拎呢隻收音咪係去到戶外，同埋係我一路行一路拍，咁睇下佢嗰個穩定性同埋收音。Let's go. So we are actually heading to the Tai Kwun, which is like a central police station in the past, anti-Victoria prison as well. It's up there. Just imagine the past. The wheels are gonna be really bumpy. Hong Kongers must know it very well and go here a lot, but not for outsiders, I believe. Columns and arches, they sort of mimicked it. Just to make sure the mic is on this time around. Let me see the shots again. The power of the A7C. There is one thing about historical buildings here in Hong Kong which I found interesting. It's like they made everything so new. Like the painting and the woods. Just like new. There is another strong point for this mic, is that it can actually receive signals from away from 200 meters, I believe, which my voice is still clear from this distance, and with the windows blocking my voice. 好啦，睇完片咁。基本上個結論啦，就係長話短說，如果你部相機係有 MI Shoe 嘅話，我覺得佢係你可以真係考慮入手呢隻收音咪。咁因為佢淨係因為呢個完全無線，包括係嗰個用 MI Shoe 插落相機無線嘅 Digital Audio Input， 然之後呢邊又係完全無線咁樣嘅使用，咁係好方便同埋好可靠嘅。咁另外就係佢嘅音質方面，頭先拎咗出街嘅時間，即使係有風聲同埋我企喺馬路邊都大聲嘅噪音嘅時候啦，咁我亦都係聽到人聲係好清晰，同埋後面嘅市區雜音相對係細聲嘅。如果我可以咁講嘅話，咁整體 overall 個體驗係好嘅，同埋係成程都好可靠。每一個 footage 嗰個人聲都好穩定嘅 volume level， 即係都好穩定嘅聲量嘅，咁係可靠嘅。聽出嚟嘅聲係有溫度嘅，係好聽嘅人聲。好啦，如果你仲睇緊呢條片嘅話，去到第二部分仲有呢個 Sony 嘅 ECM LV1 收音咪。咁呢隻收音咪就係比較簡單 basic 同埋係比較affordable 啲嘅，容易入手咁嘅一隻有線收音咪。咁但係佢都係有翻一個 windscreen 可以抗風噪，同埋再打開佢嘅時間入面係有 stereo 支援左聲道右聲道，咁佢可以有一個兩邊立體聲咁收音嘅。好啦，而家就係我用翻呢隻 LV1 咪去收音嘅時候個聲效，咁因為佢有一個1米長嘅呢條傳輸線啦，咁所以限制咗我同佢嘅距離唔可以太遠。咁而家就係24mm嘅鏡頭嘅時候最遠嘅距離啦，係啦，咁同埋條線可以見到個效果啦。咁除非你再用一個無線嘅 receiver 喺個褲袋嗰度，咁但係嗰個收音咧，其實佢都真係清同埋有翻一定嘅厚度嘅人聲。咁同埋佢呢個 clip 係可以360度咁去旋轉，所以無論你着恤衫定係 T-shirt 定係着乜嘢都好啦，點都總有一邊咪係會向住你嘅。佢可以喺 presentation 或者係 online conference 嘅時間好有用，咁因為佢就直接喺相機攞電，亦都其實基本上唔會點用電。咁而佢嘅收音效果亦都係好清嘅人聲，同埋亦都係有深度好聽嘅人聲嚟嘅，好清晰嘅係啦。咁只不過係如果你想要有終極嘅方便嘅自由活動啦，可以喺室外行到好遠，或者係點樣跳動都可以自由收音嘅話咧，咁就當然呢個 W2BT 會係首選。有關 Sony 最新嘅 ECM W2BT 同埋 LV1 呢兩隻收音咪嘅詳細規格資料都可以下面影片描述位置嘅 link 嗰度查詢嘅。咁今日分享去到呢度，希望大家中意嘅話記得俾 like 同 subscribe 我嘅 channel， 即將有更加多唔同嘅電子產品同埋手機最新發布資訊同測試。下次再見。